Is your HP laptop touchscreen suddenly not responding? First, make sure your specific HP model actually supports touch input, since not every HP laptop includes a touchscreen. If it should have one, open the Windows search bar, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Expand Human Interface Devices and look for HID compliant touchscreen. If it's listed but disabled, right-click it and choose Enable. If you don't see it at all, click View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices to reveal any disabled drivers. Restart your laptop after making changes. If that doesn't fix it, the issue may be driver related. Go back to Device Manager, right-click HID compliant touchscreen, and select Update Driver, then choose Automatic Search. If updating fails, uninstall the device completely and restart your laptop. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically during boot. If your touchscreen works but feels inaccurate, search for Calibrate the screen for pen and touch input in Windows. Open tablet PC settings and follow the calibration prompts to improve precision. For deeper troubleshooting, use HP's built-in diagnostics. Restart your laptop, press ESC repeatedly at startup, then press F2 to open HP PC hardware diagnostics. Run the touchscreen component test to check for hardware failure. Keeping Windows updated is also critical, since updates often include driver fixes. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's best to contact HP support for further assistance.